Hello friends, welcome again to the world of maths by Amiya. Now it's again time for question a day 6:30 p.m. 17th May, that is today's question is in front of you. This is 99% same question, but in the last question it was rectangle, here it is square. A square is placed on a base of area 40 square centimeter with base 8 units such that two of its vertices are in the base and other two vertices on the other two sides of the triangle. What is the maximum area of the square? So same question है, वहां पे आपका rectangle था, यहाँ square है. Now you have 24 hours time, solve this question. It's time to know वो 10 लोग कौन है जिन्होंने आंसर सही किया है. And these are the 10 people and the answer of this question is 20 and Mr. Gajendra Singh Rathod is the first person जिन्होंने आंसर सही किया है. अब देखते हैं ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं. So the solution and the shortcuts and the concept of this question is, whenever you have a triangle and a rectangle inside a triangle, then the maximum area of rectangle is nothing but the half of the area of triangle. So ये 40 centimeter square है, so answer हो जाएगा 40 by 2 is nothing but 20 centimeter square. And hardly 2 to 3 second का क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद. So answer of this question is 20 centimeter square. Please इसे याद कर लो. If you have rectangle and inside a triangle, then the maximum area of the rectangle on any base is half of the area of triangle. तो बस इतना ही है. Hardly 10 से 15 सेकंड लगेंगे. And the same thing is mentioned by Mr. Satish and Mr. Jana. इन दोनों ने mention किया है half of the bigger triangle and the area is a place according to inside a triangle will be the maximum area half of the area of the triangle. So thanks Mr. Satish and Mr. Jana. You have a brilliant mind and command on the concepts. And really, I appreciate all of you. Anyway, so अब देखते हैं concept क्या है. We know this is the half of the area of triangle, so 20 तो हमारा direct answer होगा. But in this, we apply nothing but the similarity. We know base is 8 and हमें ये पता है the area is 40 centimeter square, so half into base into height is 40, so we can say height is nothing but 10. So हमारा जो height होगा वो होगा 10 centimeter. So we have a rectangle. And we know the rectangle's properties L or B same भी हो सकता है, same नहीं भी हो सकता है. So we can say if this one is a 8 by the Thales theorem, अगर मैं इसे 8x मानूं, in a smaller triangle, bigger triangle is 8 है, smaller triangle 8x है, bigger triangle की height 10 है, तो smaller triangle की height आपकी क्या होगी 10x. Now total आपका 10 है, इसमें upper portion 10x है, तो ये होगा 10 minus 10x. So हमें इतना ही करना है, nothing else. So we have length, we have breadth or length, so we have area is equal to 8x into 10 minus 10x and ये आपका area of rectangle है. We need to maximize, either use differentiation or making perfect square. You will get x is equal to 1 by 2 और आप इसे 1 by 2 को यहां पुट कर दोगे, that becomes 20. So the area of this rectangle with the maximum area 20 होगा and this is the concept with the similarity. तो आपके पास ये है and please मैं बोल रहा हूं ये रेक्टेंगल है, रेक्टेंगल में हाफ होती है. योर क्वेश्चन इज द स्क्वायर. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेक्टेंगल, साइड्स कुड बी इक्वल, साइड कुड नॉट बी इक्वल. स्क्वायर साइड मस्ट बी इक्वल. तो यू हैव योर 24 आवर्स टाइम, सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन एंड प्लीज टुडेज लर्निंग इज रेक्टेंगल एरिया इज हाफ ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. आई होप ये क्लियर है. सो गिव योर बेस्ट, remember this concept and use in your examination. Okay, thanks, all the best, God bless you and happy learning.
Hi guys, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out any update.